We have reasons to believe Cappuccino Assassino is conducting suspicious activities inside his house. Your mission: approach, observe, and find out what's going on. Good luck.
All right, but going alone seems risky. I should bring Tung 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 Sahur with me. Yo, Tung Sahur!
Sup, bro?
Wanna go hang out at Cappuccino's place?
Sure, let's go.
Hold up, wait for me. I'm coming. Wait, something feels off. Hey, Tung 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 Sahur, look over there. Ballerina Capuccina's house. Something's happening.
Help! Please help me.
Oh no, Cappuccina is upstairs. She looks like she's stuck. I hear sirens. Firefighters are here. She's going to be okay. The mission isn't over yet.